Hi, welcome to the Honey Mom 868. I'm Ruth. This is Zoe. To the yes, to those who are new, I hope you enjoy and find the content useful. And to the Honey Mom tribe, I'm especially glad to see you back again. Today, I'll be giving you a little insight into how I keep my rugs, yes, my faux shag rugs, clean. Even with this little juice spilling, cookie crumb trail making, and everything in between toddler. Stay tuned. Maintenance has always been a big factor for me. Every time I purchased or acquired an item, my first thought is how to keep it looking new and working well. My first faux lambskin rug was gifted to me by my sister. It is off-white and requires occasional spot cleaning. At first, I would take it up and drop it off at the cleaners. That was pre-Zoe. Then, I purchased a couple faux shag rugs some years ago, and the question was the same. Do I really want to roll them up and send them to the cleaners every time I needed them refreshed? The answer was a big no. I also did not own a vacuum at the time, and for most, if not all rugs and carpeting, it's recommended that you vacuum frequently as a part of their upkeep. Shag rugs can be a bit challenging to maintain. You see, they trap dirt within their fibers, and the fibers are more delicate than regular low-pile rugs. Now, this poses a problem for persons who are sensitive to dust like yours truly, which sent me on a frantic search to find a cleaner that was not only thorough but gentle, both on my rugs and my pocket. My search for a product which would satisfy that requirement led me to the Bisselle Crosswave. Now, this video isn't sponsored. This is just my honest opinion about the Bisselle Crosswave. This cleaner functions like a vacuum and mop for your rugs and even for your hard floor surfaces. Hello? What could be better than that? Anyhow, it's pretty simple to use. There are several types of solutions based on your floor type. I'm using the multi-surface cleaner, which is concentrated. You begin by filling up the reservoir with water. I most times use hot water for my kitchen faucet. Take it to the indicator line based on how much cleaning you intend to do, then add the recommended solution. The mode selection switch is quite conveniently located on the handle for easy switching between surfaces. The wash control is also on the handle but on the underside. Now, this could be a challenge sometimes for people with big hands like mine. Today I've left my trunk on the rug as this rug is very lightweight and the trunk isn't, so it gives me some pulling power against the powerful suction of the cleaner. To get the best out of this cleaner, you pretty much use it as you would a vacuum. Give it one quick pass, then vacuum and wash in a W or Z pattern to ensure that you cover every inch. You can see the cleaning solution at work as the spin brush area lights up, showing the release of the solution and the suction of the dirt. Some key points to note. I usually treat my rugs at night, which allows them well enough time to dry overnight. However, to speed up the drying time, simply go over the area with just the vacuum feature. This helps them dry within an hour, and tiles dry almost immediately. cleanup is not as quick as I'd like it to be personally, but some users will disagree. Firstly, you have to remove the holding cup where all the dirty water and debris is collected. Can you actually believe that all this dirt was in this rug? Wow, disgusting, isn't it? Alright, so then you release the roller by pulling firmly towards you at the section in the center. Then pull the roller up and out. Once the rollers are out, I clean the cleaner with a soapy sponge or rag, rinse, wipe again, and then leave to dry. When emptying a tank with the dirty water, keep in mind that it contains a collection of fuzz and other stuff from your rug, which will clog your drains. Some people advise that you flush it down the toilet. However, I advise, and I can hear the voice of my plumber Soul right saying, "Them is shipping people out." I advise, however, that you drain out as much water as possible into your utility sink, then discard the remnants in your garbage. You then wash with a little dish soap, rinse, and leave to dry. The roller and the other parts, including the filter, is washable, but allow at least 24 hours for the filter to completely dry before reusing. So let me give you some of the pros. This cleaner works well as a vacuum and mop in one. It's convenient for deep cleaning your rugs and hard floors. It's quick and easy to transition from your rugs to cleaning your hard floors. The cleaning solution has a mild, refreshing scent and removes most everyday stains. And the last point is that it effectively cleans low and medium pile rugs. Now let's get to the cons. This particular unit does not have handheld attachments for cleaning furniture and other surfaces. It can also be difficult to maneuver on light, medium pile rugs, similar to mine, because of the suction. The holding tank for dirty water is small, so you may have to refill for a whole house cleaning. Now, I'm sure that there are other products on the market. Do your research, keeping in mind what your needs are. Is it cleaning, sanitizing, or both? I hope I was able to help you decide. If you're interested in this cleaner, I've left a link to it in the description box below. So if you enjoyed this video and you found the information useful, please like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Also, we can be found on Instagram and Facebook. But most importantly, subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That's how you know when I upload my new videos. It was my pleasure bringing you this content, and I hope to see you again soon. See ya.